For alto sax players looking for a premium quality instrument that's both reliable and affordable, the Jean-Paul AS400 E-flat alto saxophone is the ideal choice. Its yellow brass body construction, delicate etching, and mother-of-pearl keys make it an elegant and reliable instrument for students of all ages. You can rest assured that your AS400 will support many years of lessons, travel, and performance. Power-forged keys, a strong bell brace for durability, and tapered pivot keys for ease of playability help make the AS400 an easy-to-play saxophone with great intonation and excellent range. Our attention to details typically found on more expensive instruments are standard on the AS400. Its fluid keywork gives it a relaxed feeling for any saxophonist, while its well-rounded intonation and warm sound make it a welcome instrument in any band. This instrument projects a beautifully nuanced tone from the low range through to the higher register and can get that quintessential gritty sax sound all players love, too. All Jean-Paul instruments meet with strict quality control standards. Our two-phase quality control process tests your instrument before it leaves our factory, and we also test your instrument a second time prior to shipping to you. In addition, all our instruments are backed by a 1-year warranty for parts and labor. Each Jean-Paul alto saxophone comes with its own mouthpiece, ligature, cap, cork grease, and set of professional Rico reeds. The AS400 also comes with a neck strap for playing comfort and swab cleaner for maintenance. Also included, a robust dual-use case, either carried by hand or backpack style, which makes transportation a breeze. Comfortable padded straps allow the weight of the instrument to be well balanced. Multiple pockets for additional storage are also built in. Jean-Paul's AS400 alto saxophone is the perfect instrument for players with a range of proficiency levels from beginner to advanced, looking for fine craftsmanship, quality materials, and rugged dependability that combines value with performance.